Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another unboxing video. And in today's video we have the SoundCore Liberty Bibberty Neo. Right there, Liberty Neo truly wireless earphones. These are a highly reviewed earphones from Amazon where you can purchase them. You can purchase these on Amazon and they are from SoundCore, owned by Anchor. Let me see if I can get it there. Anchor. Now, Anchor is a brand that I trust. They make quality products at an affordable price. I'm sure that these are no exception. All right, so here you go, the outer shell of it. Let's take a look at the box on the outside. Incredible sound, loved by 10 million people. Only 10 though, no more, no less. Here you go, same guy. Enhanced sound. This guy's living his best life. Check it out. On the top, nothing. Bottom, nothing. On the back, let's take a look at some of the specs. We love specs, right? Right? All right. So graphene, enhanced sound. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Ultra compact and lightweight. 20-hour playtime. 5 hours on a single charge. So these will last 5 hours and then 20 hours in total. IPX7 sweat resistance. This is really good for the people that like to work out. You know, you can sweat on them and they'll be good. Bluetooth 5 one-step pairing. These are supposed to be really easy to pair and have pretty decent sound for the price. And I'll get to the price in a second. What's in the box? You get the earbuds, the charging case. My camera can't focus. Some ear tips and some wing tips and the charging cable. All right, so again, like I mentioned, I purchased these on Amazon and the price I paid for them are $45. All right, this is the blue one. I believe the black one is $39.99. I wanted the blue ones. This is actually going to be a gift for someone in my family, and I just want to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So let's get into the box itself. Let's cut this bad boy open. Put that to the side. Throw that to the side, hopefully. Okay, good. And let's take a look at what we got inside. All right, so right away you are greeted with the charging box or case. And we can get that out, and let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box first. All right. This is a pamphlet or manual on how to change the ear wings, because sometimes we don't know how to do it. Now this is how to reset the earbuds, all that good stuff. If you want to read that, you can. Here are the extra wing tips. No, actually these are the wing tips and these are the foam tips that go inside your ear, I believe. Not foam, rubber, but you know what I mean. And the charging cable, which is micro USB. Why is my camera having such a hard time focusing? There you go. Micro USB. So sorry if you were looking for type C, but you got micro USB. Now you have some additional, what looks like wingtips. So I was probably wrong about the first one. Happy. Here's the SoundCore paper. Toss it to the side. Now you do get Liberty Bibberty Neo user manual and also a caution pamphlet. This manual actually, it might be in different languages, but it's kind of thick. Look at that. All right, so hopefully that it isn't too difficult to pair. So there you go, you're greeted with the SoundCore. Here is the power base or case or whatever, and I'll compare it to my AirPods case so you can see the size difference. But there you go, you do have three light indicators right there. the, let's go ahead and open this back here. You do have the charging port. I like that it's covered, kind of like that. It, you know, you don't want to get rain into there and mess it up. And the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And here you go. Hopefully you guys can see. What I'm noticing is, oh, there you go. I didn't want to break it, but it snaps. So you open it and then it snaps into place, and then you're greeted with the earbuds themselves. And it is magnetic. So hopefully it doesn't, you know, you don't get confused which one. Let's go ahead and try that. I doubt that you'll be able to, but you know. So they go in one way. You guys are safe with this one. Again, like I mentioned, these are highly reviewed earbuds, and a lot of people on Amazon feel like for the price they are really great. All right, and I do like the snapping. They stay on. Let's check this out. Yeah, they're not coming off. They're, oh, there you go. So I gave it a little bit more of a push and they came off. But if you're just normally doing this soft and, you know, just kind of like that, they're not going to fall out. So it's pretty cool. Now, what I want to do is go ahead and pair them. This is not a review video or anything like that. This is just an unboxing video. As you know, I usually want to have like at least a week with a product to do a review video. This one, since it's for someone else, I won't be able to do a review video, but I do want to kind of pair them to my phone and play a song and let you know what I think about the sound. Before we do that though, I do want to compare it to the Apple AirPods, the first generation case that I have here. This is my Apple AirPod, and this is the Liberty Bibberty Neo. All right, so as far as thickness, this is thicker, of course. As far as height, this is taller, right? So that's just the comparison. One thing I love about the AirPods is the small case. The small case, you get, I guess, 5 hours on a single charge of earbuds, and then you get another 24. So I have no idea how Apple got the battery in here to last so long, but this is not an AirPod review. This is the SoundCore Liberty Bibberty. I hope you guys have seen that commercial and don't think that I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm just joking around. All right, so let me go ahead and pair them up to my phone, and I will give you a quick sound test. Give me 1 second. All right, and I am back, and they are paired. And the way that they actually pair is as soon as you take them out of the case, this right one, the light flashes. You might not be able to see it, but the light flashes there. There you go. The light flashes, I believe it was on the right one. They came up on my phone as SoundCore Liberty Neo, and easy pairing. Pressed it once, they both of them paired, and we are good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I won't play the actual sound obviously, but I'll let you know what I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in and play the song. Here we go. And of course I had them backwards. All right, here we go. Okay. It's not bad. It's pretty decent sound. Kind of low. There we go. Let me see. Okay. All right, and just a quick listen. They're not going to be crazy bass heavy, and everything just kind of sounds like, it's kind of hard to explain, but everything kind of just sounds like it's just sound. There's nothing that sticks out on these earbuds. Now, again, I would maybe have to change these rubber tips or plastic tips. I'm gonna try to do like this. These plastic tips here to maybe fit my ears better, maybe with the air wings or something like that. But so far they sound okay, not bad. And to have something that's truly wireless and to get 5 hours of battery, that's not bad. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and maybe use them for 10-15 minutes, and then I'll comment and pin it to tell you exactly what I think. But so far for $45, I think these are pretty worth it. All right, so let's go ahead and put these back into the case. There you go. They unpair, I believe, as soon as you put them back in. Let's close it. You do get the battery indicator. I believe that's full battery, half battery, and almost no battery. So it doesn't take a genius to figure that one out. All right, guys, so that has been the unboxing of the SoundCore Liberty Bibberty Neo, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you were looking into getting these, I hope this video was able to help you out in making that decision. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing for more tech and gaming videos like this. If you found this video helpful, help me out with a like, subscribe, share, all that YouTube good stuff. Hopefully every one of you are staying safe during these times, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.